Jim King out here in Lee Summit. We're getting ready to pour our first pour of high strength concrete. 4,000 pound concrete, 100% cement, no fly ash, 4-inch slump. We're going to pour these in our King Pier 1 holes and then come back tomorrow and start lifting this house. Tomorrow and Wednesday we'll be lifting, so stay tuned. Geiger Concrete just showed up. Like I said, got our men here. We're gonna wheelbarrow this in the hole. The King Pier 1 hole is, we dig down 49 inches below the footing. Tunnel out underneath the footing, exposing the total underside of the footing, and then pour 3 foot of high strength concrete in that perfectly dug King Pier hole. We let that set up overnight and come back the next day, put a steel plate, load bearing steel plate on top of that green concrete in the King Pier under the footing on top of the plate. Hydraulic jacks, get our laser level set up, and we start raising the footing around the entire house. One King Pier at a time. You know, I don't know, it's a couple years ago, blogger local BL Kansas City they offered us the #1 ranking for foundation repair, and I wholeheartedly believe we are the nation's best. Everything we do is engineering 101, and everything I see being done is that's not King Piers is not being done engineering 101. And we're tearing out piering systems. If I can zoom in, this house here had a previous, see those there at the corner of the porch by that bush laying on the ground, there is some concrete piles there that the homeowner got screwed basically because they didn't work. A lot of money. Absolutely a complete joke in my opinion. So don't be fooled with a fancy brochure and a lifetime guarantee as these homeowners did that your house is not going to settle anymore. We actually raise it and keep it there. Our methodology is simple. Bigger is always better when it comes to your foundation footing. If you're building a home, don't build your home with the standard 2 foot wide, 8-inch thick footing with low strength concrete. That's what all the minimum requirements in most towns and jurisdictions, that's what theirs is. And they break and they're just small. You want to build you don't ever want to have to deal with me or anybody else with your, with piering, which is very expensive. Pour your footings 4 feet wide, 3 foot thick. Use 4,000 pound concrete, 100% cement, no fly ash. You run your #4 rebars in there is fine, and reinforce it with fiber. Build your house on top of that. You won't never have a problem. If they made the requirements like that, there'd be no structural engineers needed, no piering contractors, no foundation repair guys out there. Would be needed. Nothing would sink. There might be an exception to the rule here and there, but it wouldn't be like it is now. I really I'm gonna be here tomorrow and Wednesday. I want to make sure nothing goes wrong on this project. Any unforeseen things, I've seen just about anything that can happen, but I want to be here. Get a lot of video on this. Stay tuned. King Piers out here in Lee Summit. For all your foundation piering needs, call us 816-288-4373. You You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Get on there and subscribe to us. Thank you.